You see, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from at this time. You see, many people discover their spiritual identity, but never learn how to align their lives. Identity, you see, without alignment leads to suffering. You see, today we want to talk about why effort keep failing. You see, a whole lot of people have been trying hard, but still life continues to resist them. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Press the like button if the message resonates with you. And then type in the comment section, standing in the place that my chi moves naturally. Now, be that as it may, is still your personal person, UZO CHI Chief Dr. Machi Emereze. You see, today, many people are failing so strongly despite all the effort they have been putting in. And many people watching this video right now are tired. You see, not because they are lazy, but because they are trying hard, doing everything right. Yet, life keeps resisting them to a very large extent. If effort alone worked, you would have already been where you're supposed to be in life. So today, I want to really discuss or talk about something uncomfortable but free. Something that is very much uncomfortable, but it is so free. It creates freedom. It brings joy. It brings peace. It enhances your happiness in life. You see, your problem is not effort, and it's not lack of effort. Your problem is misalignment. You see, effort applied in the wrong direction produces exhaustion, tiredness, never result. You see, in ordinary understanding, when chi is not correctly positioned, strength becomes suffering. You wake up motivated. You plan. You pray. And you act. But something invisible cancels the outcome. Something you cannot lay your finger upon cancels all your plan, all your prayer, all your actions, all the effort you have put in. I want it to be known to you that this is not punishment. This is simply directional error. You know that a river does not struggle to flow. Neither do a child beg to grow. A tree does not pray to produce fruits. But you see, as a river does not struggle to flow, if you force the river uphill, it becomes chaos. It becomes chaos and chaotic. You see, we have found out that many people are forcing their life uphill. UZO CHI is not about doing more. It is about standing where your chi moves naturally. Type in the comment section down below. Standing where my chi moves naturally. As you do that, you are creating alignment with your chi and your entities or powers. Standing where my chi moves naturally. You see, I want you to know that when effort keeps failing, it is a signal, not a weakness. Not that something or someone is against you. Now, what do? You need to understand that when effort keeps failing, it is simply misplacement. Misplacement in life. Misplacement of your path. Misplacement of direction. And in this series that we'll be discussing going forward, talking about UZO CHI alignment system, in this very series, we have about 24 episodes. Endeavor to watch through the episodes and your life will never remain the same again. Because information does not just empower, it improves your life. Now, be that as it may, in this particular series, I will not hype you. I will align you as you watch through to the end. If effort has been draining you, listen, instead of building you, pause here. Your chi may be asking for connection, not motivation. If this message feels like it is describing you exactly, then you may need personal guidance. Because alignment is not gauged, it is diagnosed. Alignment is not something you have to gaze or somebody have to gaze for you. It has to be diagnosed, just like, sicknesses are diagnosed. Alignment is diagnosed through consultation and deep consultation for that matter. So, be that as it may, look deeply into your life as you listen through this message and ask yourself, am I standing where my chi moves naturally? Is my chi moving naturally as I am right now? If not, you need a personal guidance because alignment is not gauged, it is simply diagnosed. Udo diri manike, if you're still joining us for the first time, subscribe to our channel, ChiSovereign, the Chimba Sacred Circle. In this particular channel, we are bringing you alignment series that will keep you aligned properly with your chi and entities of powers. And we also help you spiritually to handle your spiritual matters as well. And we do deep after consultation reading. And abafa diobi. Akwụsịna ụta, akwụsịna ebe ahụ. Nsogbu ụwa chọrọ ka ịkwụsị. Do not stop where trouble, situations, conditions want you to stop. Keep going. Onye na-agba n'erube ebe ọ na-agbaga, ọ ka ya na-agba. Do not be discouraged by so many failed efforts. Those failures are simply direction to your success. And you're here today watching this. This is another call from your chi to help you to find the answer to your problems. If you want us to be of service in all we do, send us a message on this WhatsApp handle 090 178 18674. 090 178 18674. We will help you. Udo dịrị gị, ya gazie. Peace and blessings.